Good morning. Welcome to MB Auction Traders. This is Shiva. Day 20 of 2.5 lakhs to 60 lakh challenge. Date 21/7 Monday. Okay, market order open. You can see market open and take resist from the 200 EMA. Okay, let me show you one second. Okay, you can see yesterday market open gap down and continuous fall. I need to fall and create a huge support as a consolidation rate. Whenever the market fall and create a consolidation or zone, it's mean they're creating a support. Okay, let me enter. Just one second. Okay. As I said, whenever market fall, I create a support or a consolidation. It's mean there to create a trend change. So I'm expecting a bullish trade today. Okay, let me update my SL. Just give me a second once I can leave. Okay, so I can see market order started. He highly confirm it's going to be bullish today. Okay, let me convert it into 1 minute time frame to place our SL and seeing the strength in this the previous candles. The reason very clear. Yesterday it fall and create a consolidation. So always close the break the consolidation and create a huge candle because the previous day the carry forward trades all place the SL and above the candle. So it all are triggered and create a good green mother candle. So that's why I'm updating my trial SL below this red candle because it's too tight as well. These are very clear. We place this 1 point as well. The reason is very clear because as the previous in the SL got triggered and new entry happened. That's why it created green candle. Saying the existing buyers are going to exist and new buyers are going to come. That's why it's trying to create a red candle. Okay, you can see the hammer showing the strength of the market and buyers. So once the candle above the 200, we're going to update our trailers are below the here. Okay, just a minute. Okay, let me update our trailers. Okay, chalo. You can see this is going to our safest trade and a 100% accuracy. We gonna at least we wanna take 100 points today because if we compare with 100 points, we place our SL of 7 points and we gonna achieve 100 points. Let me think how much it's going to be. Calculate the percentage. Whether you can see in spots or you can see above. We can see there 200 yen. The 200 once the candle closes above the 200 yen, we highly confirm it's going to be bullishness. Right now it's also the confirmed it's going to bullishness, but it might be take some doji or some consolidation, then we can expect a bullishness. But the candle close above 200, it's going to be bullishness, highly confirmed. And one more thing, whenever the market opened and it created a day low, once the next this is going to break the high or low, it's highly confirmed it's going to 10 got changed. There is no strength to market to hold up the particular level. You can see the above the candle 200 EMA close. It at the same time we're gonna break the out to a day high. So we highly confirm we expect a rally and we're gonna update our trial laser once the candle close ago. Okay, you can see one more. You can see we decrease our quantity at 245. The reason is very clear. Previous last two trades we update our quantity because I said already in that particular videos. We started our this challenge 2.5 lakhs. So we already achieved 3.30,000. So I said we wanna take risk on the particular above 30,000, not on the capital. So I said we took the risk. The particular last today we lost nearly 25. So we back to and the charges are included. It's right now 2,93,000 or 94,000. So I don't want to take risk on the capital. So right now we started 2.5 capital, but right now my capital is considered 3 lakhs. Whenever you cross the any round figure, so consider that's your capital. The above the money you can take as the risk. Okay, you can see market. Try to close the above 200 EMA. Okay, that's why I again decrease my quantity size. So you can see it to 5 seconds to close the candle. So highly confirm it's going to be bullish trade. So let me convert it to 1 minute time frame. So let me updating my trailers. Just 1 second. Okay, and to sorry, update. Okay, so wide page here. Reason the candle close over 200. It might be create a doji or any hammer candle. So that's why I updated my updated a trailers up. Reason is very. If in case they created any red candle and close below the 200 EMA. So it means the trend got changed and again taking the same from the day high. So we mostly are not gonna test once again day high. The trend got changed is going to be consolidation. That's why whenever you see market near to day high or day low, try to book your profits at just trial lesser because most of the time market gonna reversal from the day low and day high only. Okay, you can see the option spot chart, it's order broke the day high. Still it pending on option chart. Only we can mostly expected a gap filling. The previously I explained once and I'm going to explain you. Whenever market try to create any gap, market doesn't like the gaps. It try to fill the gaps only. You can see yesterday it fall and create a gap. That's why I mentioned the gap in purple zone. Whenever you see there is a purple zone in my charts, you highly can mentally fix it's going to be a gap filling place. And below you can see there is a purple line because it created previously. It's been 1 month to 1.5 month back. So whenever market try to fill the gap, no matter when whole it is, it try to fill only. Okay, you can see we are across the 25,000 profit. We just placed the 7 point as well. We are near to achieve 100 points right now. Okay, you can see. Okay, you can see it right now. It's creating a green candle. It might be end up with a red candle or a doji. There is no panic to exit. I am not going to exit this trade until my trial is triggered. Is the market going to said me you're done, leave the market. Until I'm not going to leave this trade. You can see the spots are trying to create if reversal doji or shooting star. But look at these option charts, how strong the candle it is. This showing you the strength of the market and new buyers are entering the market. Okay, you can see the spots are how beautiful it creating a good green mother candle. Okay, you can see we are across the 25,000. If we want, we can book the profit because I said last 2 days we lose 25K, but in a single trade we are achieved our entire loss convert into profit. Okay, so I'm not here to revenge trade or cover the losses. Whenever your mindset is I want to revenge trade, I want to I want to cover the losses, or I try to achieve the previous day losses or previous day above the profit, is never gonna work. Always look at the process, look at the charts. That's it. When you start looking at charts, you will understand everything. There is no planning, there is no format, there is no format. You can see again. You can see once and as I said, the spot charts, the candle try to create a doji. Let's see if the candle close below it, I mean 200 EMA. So as I said, we want to highly confirm it's going to be reversed. If we want, we can entirely reverse it. But I'm still highly confirm it's going to be bullish. I need highly confirm it's going to be continuous bullish trade only. So I'm not going to updating my SL or anything. You can see we are across the 25K. We back to 1890,000. Still, there is no worry because we just plan for a 7 point SL. We already achieved 90 points if the IPSA got triggered. If I want, we can book. Okay, but I'm not going to book this right now. So we okay, again, so sorry, we already achieved 60 points. I said 90 points, 60 points. So there is no mandatory exit. You can see there is 40 seconds to close the candle. Once the candle flow, the next candle highly confirmed is going to continue bullish. We're going to update our trail as well below the next candle. Once the candle open, so 1 minute we're going to convert into 1 minute time frame. Then we're going to update our tile itself below the candle. Okay, look at the candle. how strongly it closing as a green candle. Shell. Now it's tell confirm it's going to be bullish trade. You can see we, okay, we already crossed the 30,000 price. If we want, we can do the 80,000. This is the beauty of holding trades, the patience. Okay, let me update my trial below candle. Reason very clear. It might be end up with whenever the market break the high or low, as I said previously, it might be create a consolidation or retest. Then we'll continue our trend. Right now, it market might be create a doji or any red candle. Then it going to continue bullish. But I don't want to take risk and I don't want to multiple trades and don't want to do any over trading. That's why I'm updating my trial below the scammer. Okay, just 1 second. Updated. Okay, I can see. I'm waiting for the one more green candle. Once we can see one more green candle, we want to update our trial above the candle. Okay, so you can see this is the candle I'm waiting for on the market. Okay, it's going to create a highly confirmed. It's going to create a hammer candle or doji. Which candle, no matter what candle it's going to create, I am going to just update my trial below the candle. If it create a doji or a hammer, I am going to place below the body, not below the candle. I said below the body because if it break the body, it's mean there is no strength to hold the particular candle. Okay, there is a buying coming. It's going to come on above the body only. Body showing the buyers whenever no. It is same apply with the red candle. The body show the sellers. So whenever you want to enter and update your trailers, look at the candle. Okay, so I said it's created a beautiful hammer. So I'm going to update my trailers below the body. Okay, just wait for it. I'm just waiting for the confirm. Okay, chalo, it highly confirm because you can see the red and green candle is showing the bullish engulfing. The bullish engulfing show bullishness, and then we create a green candle. Again, we create a doji. So it mark highly confirm it's going to be bullishness. So we're gonna update our trailers, sir. So let's wait for the candle close. So if I want we can pay below, so but I don't want take I don't want place too tight is that's trailers. So that's why I update as I said below the body. Okay. Okay, you can see. No, you can see. It might be hit our SR trailers. The reason I said after the market broke the day ahead, it might be created a retestment or then a 2-3 doji candle. Then we gonna expect it and hit our target. But I don't want to take too much trade today. If the SR got ticket, I am done for the day. So our trailers got a hit ticket. Okay, 1 second. I'll got a ticket. Let me show you the order books. Okay. This is the order books. We went from 945 and we exited 950. Okay, we are at achieved 30,000. So done for the day. See you on next video.